Bill or Bill? Bill and Ben are engine twins. They look
Thomas!
very alike indeed.
Morning, Bill, Ben! Morning!
That's why that's in me in sides to show which one is Bill and which one is Ben. Bill and Ben like
Thomas!
their engines, play tricks on the other. Bill and Ben. One day, Bill and Ben were making Malaya when the main line. When a very fast engine came across the junction at nothing and gave them a skip.
Who was that, Bill? I don't know, Ben. Thomas, did you see that very fast engine that just went past?
You mean of the new streamlined engines bringing passenger to this mainland?
He must be very fun. Bless me for racing about engines and surprising others.
The engine live himself. He's a very friendly.
But Bill and Ben didn't listen. Bill and Ben were passing through Henry's tunnel when...
Hello there!
coming back the other way.
Was that him again, Bill? I think it was, Bill. Ooh, maybe we should teach that Speedy Wheels team. Maybe we should, Bill.
So Bill and Ben made a plan to play a trick on the next time bridge from the mainland. Bill was there waiting for him.
Hello, Speedy Wheels.
Hello there. I'm
about to ride Bill to Ulfstead Castle.
I can't rebel. That wouldn't be fair. I'm way too Maybe if I only used one
Piston? Nonsense. You go as fast as you like. You'll be
piston.
how fast I am. Very surprised.
Okay. If you say so.
Go.
The two engines hurried off. Bill was off, fell behind.
What a silly tank engine. Thinking he could have a modern stream engine out me.
He was sharp.
What took you so long? I thought you'd have you.
Same engine he had seen near the bridge. But it wasn't Ben. Bill.
Out! What? Out! What? Out! What? Out! What? Out! What? How did you do that? I didn't see you, me.
I was working so fast. You would have just been a slur. Don't be we can race again. Back to the bridge, perhaps.
You're on!
So the two engines got ready to race again.
Go, 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 go!
This time, he was so determined that he was no tank engine that he signal turned red until it was too late. Then there was trouble.
Henry! Watch out!
Oh, where you going? You almost hit me.
Connor's relief was short-lived, because just then, Sir Topham had arrived.
I don't know how they do things on the mainland. First, on my railway, no engine is allowed to pass through a red signal.
I'm very sorry, sir. I won't do it again, but...
Then
Henry
came along.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. What's happened here, sir?
And so did Ben.
Oh, no. Has come, sir.